Hi everyone, my name is Bonnie Rocky and I'm an Oracle Integration Cloud Specialist on the North America Cloud Specialist team. This is part 3 of our video series on mastering disaster recovery with OCI Full Stack DR. In the part 1, we explored setting up a disaster recovery environment for Oracle integration across 2 OCI regions. Part 2, presented by Suraj, we went through the life cycle of disaster recovery protection groups. You learned how to create them, add members, customize recovery plans, run pre-checks, and execute both failover drills and actual failovers. Now, let's unlock the power of user-defined script used in those protection groups. To get the most out of this video, we highly recommend watching part 1 and 2 first. The scripts are freely available on the Full Stack DR sample GitHub repository. Head over to the FSDR Oracle Apps section and look for the OIC scripts folder. There, you will find detailed instruction, script purposes, and the source code itself. Now, let's dive deeper and explore these scripts in detail. So we have totally 6 scripts. All the scripts require few values that needs to be configured, like Oracle Integration Instance host names, IDCS URLs, client application configuration, vault secret OCID that stores the client application secrets, etc. Now let's talk about the scripts. The first script is OIC integration switch.sh. This script automates activating or deactivating integration in Oracle integration in any of the OCI region during a disaster recovery event managed by OCI Full Stack DR. It takes activate or deactivate as the first argument and OCI region code, example IAD or PHX, as the second argument. It retrieves a list of integrations and versions from a secure JSON file called integration.json. It then calls the Oracle Integration API to activate or deactivate each integration based on the provided command. OIC update parameter.sh is the second script. This script updates scheduled parameters for Oracle integrations across 2 OCI regions during a disaster recovery event. It takes the OCI region code IAD or PHX as the first argument. It retrieves a list of integrations, versions, corresponding scheduled parameters from a secure JSON file. The script then calls the Oracle Integration API to update the scheduled parameter values for each integration based on the provided region. This script is called during the failover process when the primary instance would be inaccessible to fetch the latest scheduled parameters. So, as an admin, you need to make sure that the integration parameters file is updated with the latest scheduled parameters information. In case of switchover process, when the primary instance would be accessible, we would be using the third script, that is OIC sync scheduled parameter.sh. This script synchronizes scheduled parameters for Oracle integration cloud integrations between 2 OCI regions during a disaster recovery switchover. It takes the target region code, for example IAD or PHX, as the argument. The script retrieves a list of integrations and versions from a secure JSON file. It then extracts the scheduled parameters from each integration from the primary region and updates the corresponding integration in the target region using the Oracle Integration APIs. Moving to the fourth script, OIC integration schedule.sh. This script is used to start or stop the Oracle integration scheduled integrations during a disaster recovery event. It takes start or stop as the first argument and OCI region code as the second argument. It retrieves a list of integrations and versions from the JSON file integration parameter.json. And it then calls our Oracle Integration APIs to start or stop the scheduled integration for each integration in the specified region. The next script is DNS record update.sh. This script updates a DNS zone record during a disaster recovery switchover or failover. It takes the OCI region code, for example IAD or PHX, as the first argument. And that's the only argument that you need to pass. The script updates the CNAME record for a specified zone and domain to point to the Oracle Integration Instance host in the target region. This brings us to the last script, which is OIC start stop.sh. This is an optional script which is used to start or stop a particular Oracle Cloud instance. As an input, you need to pass two parameters. First, start or stop. Second is the region ID, for example, IID or PHX. So that's a wrap on these scripts. We have explored their functionalities in detail. Remember, these scripts are offered as general guidance. Feel free to adapt them to your specific needs, adhering to your corporate security policies. Thanks for tuning in.